Number 1. 1984 GMC 1500, price $8,000. It has approximately 80,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a red interior. The truck wears a patina-style paint finish accented with hot rod pinstriping, giving it a classic vintage look. It comes equipped with a Chevy 350 engine sourced from a 1978 Corvette, paired with headers and a new dual exhaust system. Many components have been replaced, including a new carburetor, new battery, alternator, front grille, and LED headlights. It also has a new windshield, a new rear sliding window, brand new front and rear brakes, and new tires. Inside, it features a retro-style radio that fits the truck's nostalgic character. The truck is 98% rust-free and remains solid throughout. As a two-wheel drive cruiser, it offers a fun and reliable driving experience. While not a show truck, it is a very nice and well-maintained classic that's great for everyday cruising. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has accumulated 189,000 miles over its lifetime and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine, it retains its original character and driving feel, staying true to what enthusiasts appreciate in a late-90s Chevy pickup. Although the truck is almost entirely original, it has been upgraded with a set of bold 20-inch BZO rims, giving it a more modern and confident stance without taking away from its classic appeal. As a 4x4, it offers solid capability whether on the road or off it, making it suitable for both daily use and weekend adventures. The interior is described as nearly flawless, showing minimal signs of wear and reflecting the care it has received throughout its life. Number 3. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500, shows 172,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. It features a red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, giving the truck a classic and solid appearance. Powered by a V6 gasoline engine, it delivers reliable performance for daily use or light work. The truck's ice-cold AC adds extra comfort, especially during long drives or warm weather. Overall, it runs and drives well, reflecting good mechanical condition for its age. With its mileage, color combination, and dependable powertrain, this Sierra offers a practical and trustworthy option for anyone looking for a durable older pickup truck. Number 4. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,995. The truck sports a burgundy exterior with a tan interior, both of which are in clean, well-kept condition. It also comes with a recently rebuilt transmission that has fewer than 500 miles on it, and the seller provides paperwork to verify the work that was completed. The interior features a flawless cloth cabin, along with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, offering added comfort and convenience for daily use. It is equipped with cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, and a rear sliding window, making it practical for both long drives and work use. For entertainment and connectivity, the truck includes a Bluetooth-enabled Sony CD player. Allowing modern functionality in a classic pickup. On the outside, the truck comes with a color-matching tonneau cover that complements its overall appearance, as well as brand new tires that enhance reliability on the road. It is also fitted with a tow package, making it capable for hauling or light-duty work. Number 5. 1972 Ford F100, price $7,500, equipped with the strong and dependable 360 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It has received several fresh components, including a new HEI distributor, new spark plugs and wires, a newer fuel pump and filter, and a brand new carburetor. The tires still have about 90% tread, and the truck features 2WD with posi traction. Inside, the truck retains its original interior, which is in impressively good condition, even down to the original floor vinyl that remains in great shape. It also comes with dual exhaust, and the engine runs and drives exceptionally well. The body and frame are very solid, and the suspension delivers a smooth, cloud-like ride that makes the truck easy and comfortable to drive. It is being offered with a clean title. Number 6. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck shows approximately 234,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The truck features a brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. Powered by a 5.7L V8 engine, it runs on gasoline and still provides the strong performance these trucks are known for. It holds a clean title, which adds to its value and makes it a promising choice for someone looking for a dependable project truck. While there is a small amount of damage on the rear section of the bed, the seller notes that it should be an easy repair, and importantly, the frame is solid, indicating the truck still has a strong structural foundation.
Number 7.
1994 Ford F150, price $8,000, it has around 153,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. In the last 48 miles, it received extensive new parts, including a 6-inch rough country lift with leaf springs, Intercotrix's M/T tires on black steel wheels, worn manual locking hubs, extended brake lines, 3-inch tubular side steps, fresh front bushings, and a new leaf spring hanger. It also has a new grille, updated lighting with smoked rear housings, new mirrors, an ignition control module, and PCM. Interior updates include a new gauge bezel, aluminum inner door handles, a working dual tank selector, and a service transmission with a new shift solenoid pack, fluid, and pan gasket. It still needs a clock spring for the horn and cruise control, and the AC needs a recharge.
Number 8.
1988 Dodge D150, price $6,750, it has approximately 180,500 miles, features an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and runs on gasoline. It is equipped with a V6 engine and runs and drives well, having recently passed emissions. The paint shows fading due to sitting outside for several years, but mechanically the truck has received extensive recent maintenance. Over the past month, the owner replaced the spark plugs and wires, fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel tank, catalytic converter, stereo and speakers, all drive belts, and the air filter, and also performed an oil change. The truck is fitted with new front tires, further improving its roadworthiness.
Number 9.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,200, equipped with an automatic transmission paired to a 5.7L gasoline engine. The exterior and interior are both finished in red, giving the truck a classic, uniform look. At some point it received a Jasper remanufactured transmission, and it currently shifts well. The truck runs and drives smoothly, and all major functions are reported to be working properly, including the AC, power windows, and power locks. The steering has a bit of play, but the truck is still fully drivable. It sits lowered in the rear and is fitted with good tires. As expected from a truck of its age, it has typical dings, some clear coat peeling, and a small rust spot on the driver's rear wheel well, though overall the body remains clean.
Number 10.
1977 Ford F150, price $7,000, shows approximately 95,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a silver exterior, and a black interior. The truck has never had any rust aside from the floor pans. It is powered by a rebuilt 302 engine paired with a C4 transmission, and the transmission itself is less than a month old. Complete with paperwork, the owner recently installed a new set of 15x10 American racing wheels wrapped in Mastercraft tires, all with fewer than 500 miles on them. The truck also features a new heater core and all new window felts. Floor pans are currently on the way, and a new carpet kit is included to be installed afterward. Once these final touches are completed, the truck will be a very nice example of a classic F-150.